Hi everyone, today I have the PHLUR Vanilla Skin Hair and Body Fragrance Mist, and this has been one of my favorite mists that I have tried in a long time. I do love to wear perfume and fragrance, but I'm very particular in which scents that I like and don't affect me, so I typically try to stay away from floral or really strong scents because they do not make me feel very good. And so I really like more sweet vanilla type bakery scents, and this one is so good. I feel like it's very sweet and vanilla, but it's not overly sweet. I would say that it is maybe even a little bit musky. And so I really like that it gives me that sweet scent that I'm looking for without being too overpowering. And for a body and hair mist, I do find that it lasts for a pretty good amount of time. I would say that I will still notice it on my clothes or my skin within like 4 to 5 hours of putting it on originally. And I also really like the mist that kind of double as a hair mist, which this one does, because I will spray it in my hair and it just gives just enough of a scent to really smell good and last for most of the day. So if you're somebody like me who likes a sweeter scent, but that is not a floral type scent, I think that you'll really like this one.